Western Governors University is committed to bridging the gap between talent and opportunity. This includes tackling the disparity between those who have access to the internet and those who do not, a gap experts are calling the digital divide. Tens of millions of Americans are on the wrong side of this divide. Those most likely to be affected are from communities that already face structural exclusion: the poor, the educationally disadvantaged, racial minorities, tribal and rural households. These communities are disconnected from lifelong learning, work, healthcare, and civic participation. Some estimate Black, Latinx, and tribal communities are 10 years behind in digital access, compounding the long-standing equity challenge. This is why late Congressman John Lewis and others have called the digital divide the civil rights issue of the 21st century.
Could you imagine if entire segments of our population didn't have access to basic infrastructure like electricity or clean water? Such inequities would be completely unacceptable. So how can we tolerate the fact that today, millions of Americans lack basic access to the essential infrastructure of the internet?
We have established the Online Access Scholarship Fund to provide services and devices for students while they are furthering their education. Through a partnership with T-Mobile and other internet providers, we will be able to award at least 1,000 online access scholarships during the first year and establish public Wi-Fi hotspots in trusted community organizations in cities across the United States. We are also working with public leaders at all levels to build long-term solutions in the communities that need it the most.
Our society will flourish when everyone has the tools to fully develop and share their talents. We need to prioritize building the infrastructure for the future of work, and it must be accessible to everyone.
To learn more about our work on the digital divide and educational equity, visit wgu.edu/advocate.